Kenya is a very exciting market. I have been personally working in Kenya for the last 13 years. It has given me a great opportunity to serve this market and to meet wonderful people. A lot of investment is coming into this country, and it's a very exciting place to be right now as we speak. This expo, over the last 2 years, we have had more than 150 plus unique visitors, and I'm quite hopeful that we'll convert most of them into orders. So thank you so much for the Expo Group for giving us this exposure. 2 thumbs up to the exhibitors for putting everything together, for making sure that many visitors turn up.
Buildexpo 2022 was a great experience. I think it's been a few years since we've been able to gather together because of the issues with the pandemic, but it's been an incredible experience seeing all these different people in the manufacturing space, in the building and construction space coming together in order to network and in order to gain from one another. The facilitators here for Buildexpo have been hospitable. It's been great customer service. They've been very engaging and making sure that we have everything that we need. And we're just grateful to be able to interact with architects, interact with engineers, developer contractors, and other manufacturers to see how we can work together moving forward.
Day one, everything well done actually. Thanks for the people who make this expo successful. Really, it was very, very nice from the people from A to Z. When we start day before the opening, set up until now, everything is good. Thanks for the expo management for that arrangement.
For the organizers, of course, the organizers have been very kind, very polite, very good. I enjoy talking to them. The exhibition is great. Also the organizers are great. Looking forward to meeting you again next year.